Hello everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video, we're going to discuss about Laravel 8 view part. So here we need to understand how we can create a view, how we can create a controller. Here we will discuss about even how you can pass data from route and how you can register your controller in your route. So these kind of activities we're going to discuss about. And if you have any doubt related to this video, please put your comment in below. So let's start. So I have already installed in Laravel 8 in my system. So if you don't know how to install Laravel 8, you can watch my previous video. So I am going to clear this screen and let me remove this one. Yes, so now we have the route which is inside of the web routes slash web.php. We have by default provided by the Laravel 8. And so now what we're going to do here, first of all I am going to call from the route. So I'm going to write same things. Suppose you can write like this one, get, and here we need to write first parameter. What parameters? Suppose I'm going to call as a home, then you write here as a function here, and then here we need to write as a bracket. Again here we need to write as a curly bracket, then put here colon. Then we need to also write here as a return and call to view and put here colon, and here I am going to call as a home page, but we don't have home page right now. So let me create the home page inside of the resource directory. I'm going to create as a home dot blade dot php. Okay, so we have home.blade.php file right now. So I am going to here create as a Laravel 8 home. Okay, so let me put here some values. Laravel 8 home. I am going to put here some CSS, so we can put here like this one. I'm not so much good in CSS, so okay, so text align center something. So now we have the Laravel 8 home. So I am going to inside of the web.php, and here we are calling home. So let me call the first of all home. Yes, you can check here Laravel 8 home we have right now. Then suppose if you want also pass some data, so how you can pass data from the Laravel? So here you can create from route. So here you can create as a name. So we are real programmer. I'm going to put here real programmer, put colon here, and you need to pass data from here. So how you can? We need to put in array. Here we need to pass in array like this one, key and value pair. So we have put it here as a name. So now here we need to write like this one. Same, I'm going to copy and paste something. So now I'm going to put as a h2 tag. Here I am going to put name like this one. We are passing from the data is here from name. Okay, sorry, from routes. So this is name basically. So put here same as a dollar name. Let me refresh the page. Yes, you can check Laravel 8 home real programmer. So we get the data like this one. So now what we need to do here, we are calling from the route. So how you can call from the controller also? So then we need to create controller like this one, php artisan make controller, and you need to put here controller name. So we're going to create as a user controller. Okay, so I have put it user controller. So now this user controller you need to register inside of the routes also. So let me use that particular HTTP controller. Now we have user controller. This user controller we need to use. So how you can use? Like this one, you need to use like use, and here we need to write user controller. We have user controller. Okay, So now inside of the user controller we need to create function. We don't have functions right now, so I'm going to get a public function. I'm going to put name as a home. Okay, let me put the home. So here we have the home. So now we have already done this one, so I'm going to cut this one. I'm going to put here. Okay, so don't cut this one, leave it this one. We're going to create another one. Okay, so also this is clear for you. Now we're calling home, so now we need to call this one. Okay, so we have the by default is home, so we're going to create as a about. Let me remove this one, about. Okay, we will calling same page. We don't need to right now create to another page. So now, but we will call from the different technique. Okay, let me go inside below. We need to write route. Okay, then again get. Here I am going to put as a about. Okay, then here we need to call our controller, which is this one. Okay, so use as an array user controller scope resolution operator, sorry, and class name is here, and then give some comma and put here as a function name we have created as a about function name. Okay, we need to put here about and put colon here. So we have added like this one, get about user controller and functions. So now let me check. Yes, look, and even you can pass from here the different data. Suppose you want to real programmer from developer. Okay, we getting the data like this one. So now what we need to do here, from Siddharth you can choose whatever you want. Okay, so we getting the Laravel 8 a real programmer from Siddharth. So we can change like this one. We have the home also. Look, with we can call the data, and suppose if you want to pass multiple data like array something, so you can also pass the data like this one. So I am going to use as a data. Okay, inside of the data we can pass as key value pair. Suppose we have the name. Okay, and name you want to put like real programmer, comma, city, Delhi, then here country, India. Okay, so we have added like this one. We have data. So how you can pass the data also like this one. Okay, so now I'm going to show you in home undefined variable. Sorry, we calling might be wrong method. This one. So here we are already printing like this one. We have the data and we have the name, so we can call from here like this one. And suppose same things you want to call from there, so you need to put here like this one. In home also, let me call from the home. Yes, look, we are dealing with this. So now this is working fine, and if you have any doubt related to this video, please let me know so I can create another video. Thank you for watching this video.